Hi and welcome. I'm Frederick from Dropsolid. At Dropsolid, we believe developers should focus on building great experiences, not resting with infrastructure or integrations. Our AI platform enables you to do just that. It gives you new revenue streams, more billable time, while adding powerful AI features in your integrations, in your client projects. In this video, I'll show you how the AI platform works and how this can be applied in a CMS or in marketing automation. Let's dive in. Let's start with uploading an image and having an automatic alt text. After uploading an image, you see an alt text is generated automatically. Then you see a CK editor below. There's an AI assistant there. Obviously, you want to generate some content there, and it already knows what your tone of voice is. So you can ask it a prompt and it knows your company tone of voice already in its memory. It will then generate a response based on how you speak. Then you can also reformat existing content according to new content structure, for example, job structure or a specific content structure that you want to maintain in your content base. You can evaluate the readability of your content with AI. This gives you a score and some suggestions on how to improve the readability of your specific content. At the Dropsolid AI infrastructure, you can choose the AI models for each of your things. So this is by default will allow you a number of models to choose from. And then we can also automatically generate derived content. For example, social media content or other things, we can automatically derive it. On the right side, you see that it can suggest taxonomy terms. And then after we index all of this into the vector database, you can ask it a question and you have an AI generated answer based on your own content. Those were some nice integrations in content management. Let's go into marketing automation. Let me show you my Mautic AI console. By pressing on to the stars icon here, it opens you the console, but obviously you can also use escape to close it again. You can then ask it a number of things. What can you do? There's an AI behind this, so it can do a number of things for you. It can assist you with tasks like it knows all of the URLs in Mautic. It can also create context and segment directly from the AI. I'm working on clearing the Mautic cache from this bar here, and it can also answer questions about all the basic functionality and best practices. Those were some really cool features in marketing automation and in CMS, and it's only the tip of the iceberg. We have many more that we can show you. Let's now go into the platform and see how you can do things there. When you log on to the Dropsolid platform, you can see that there's a number of products. You see AI products, CMS products, marketing automation products, other tools. So you can filter here on the type. Let's go into the Dropsolid internal project. You see for this AI project, there's a number of things. There's an overview, there's reporting, and there's developer. In the overview, you'll see some of the costs that were made or the storage that was used for the vector database. In reporting, you'll see a more detailed report on the amount of token uses per AI model. This will be more elaborate with more usage. I'll show you a little more in depth. You have also access to the AI gateway, which is a swagger that gives you access to all of the endpoints so that you can use them in your custom applications. And we also have credentials for the vector database and an endpoint for the tracing. Let's go in the tracing. I'm going to expand my scope a bit. Here you see that you have a very nice overview on the costs that you made per AI model. You can really make all kinds of visualizations here. And you can see per model what the prices was or these things. And you can also go much more into detail, see the questions that were asked and the answer that were given and the cost per question or the time used per question. So you can really go in depth with the Dropsolid AI platform. You saw that with the Dropsolid AI platform, you can bring new capabilities to your clients and keep your developers focused on what matters most, delivering value. If you want to learn more, go to dropsolid.ai. Thanks for watching.